Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about Kesedar, which stands for Lembaga Kemajuan Kelantan Selatan. Kesedar is a statutory body established in 1978 under Akta 203. It was created to solve the problem of uneven development between urban and rural areas, especially in southern Kelantan. Before Kesedar was formed, many rural areas in South Kelantan faced poor infrastructure, limited job opportunities, and low economic activities. Because of this, Kesedar was set up as a central agency to plan, coordinate, and implement development programs to improve the living standards of the local community. Moving on to Kesedar's objective. One of its main goals is to reduce the development gap between rural and urban areas. By improving infrastructure and creating job opportunities in rural area, Kesedar help reduce rural to urban migration. Another objective is to reduce development gaps within Kelantan and other states by introducing new economic sectors such as agro-based industry and small manufacturing. Kesedar also aims to improve socio-economic status by increasing income, reducing poverty, and strengthening human capital through education and entrepreneurship programs. In terms of vision, Kesedar aims to become the main driver of development in South Kelantan by transforming it into a modern and progressive region outside major cities. Next, its mission is to support balanced development by improving infrastructure, strengthening the local economy, and developing human capital for long-term growth. Kesedar uses an integrated development approach, which means development is not only focused on one area. First is physical development, such as road, housing, industrial areas, and public facilities. These are important to support daily life and business activities. Next is economic development, which focus on agriculture, entrepreneurship, and industrial activities to create jobs and increase income. Kesedar also emphasizes social development, including education, healthcare, and community well-being. Human capital development is carried out through training and skill enhancements program to help people become more productive and competitive. Lastly, Kesedar function include planning and implementing development projects such as land development, agriculture modernization, housing, and infrastructure. Kesedar also promote entrepreneurship and SMEs by providing training, business guidance, and support. At the same time, it plays a social role by improving access to education, healthcare, housing, and community facilities to ensure inclusive and sustainable development. In conclusion, Kesedar play a very important role in improving the quality of life in southern Kelantan and is a key institution in Malaysia's rural and regional development.
Next, we move to technology management practice. First, management practice of the organizations with technology. Based on the academic visit, the organization applies technology into its management processes, planning activities, and service delivery to enhance coordinations and operational effectiveness. Collaboration with government agencies and higher learning institutions support research and staff training, while strong data governance and ICT security measures like policies, firewalls, and DRC ensure system reliability and data protection. Moreover, Kesedar demonstrates progressive management by adopting technology-based solutions. The organization also strengthens its ICT infrastructure by providing reliable internet connectivity, computer facilities, and digital mapping systems that integrate plantation and use data. Next is innovation. Kesedar implements initiatives such as commercial scale plantations, integrated land use strategies, and modern farming techniques to increase rural productivity, improve yields, and reduce reliance on manual labor. Kesedar also applies innovation in management by integrating digital systems and structured planning in operations. In addition to technological and methodological innovations, Kesedar promotes community-based innovation by training residents in modern practice, fostering skill development, and supporting projects like Kesedar Food Valley to diversify agriculture and sustain rural livelihood. Next, we move to infrastructure. Kesedar is a regional development agency established under the Malaysian Ministry of Rural and Regional Development. Kesedar's core responsibilities include promoting housing, agriculture, and industry, coordinating development interventions and overseeing key programs like Rancangan Kemajuan Tanah (RKT) and Rancangan Pemulihan Tanah (RPRT) for rural infrastructure and settlements. In the context of infrastructure, Kesedar has been actively involved in providing basic and social amenities to support rural communities' livelihoods. A central focus of Kesedar infrastructure management practice has been land development and redistribution within its major settlements programs. For example, land under the RKT schemes has been divided into individual lots and is being transferred to settlers. Lastly, strategic planning. Through strategic planning, technology is positioned not only as an operational tool but also as a key driver for organizational effectiveness transformation. Kesedar strategic planning focuses on enhancing ICT efficiency and effectiveness, integrating technology across administrations, land management, training, and community services to support operations and service delivery. Kesedar strategic planning includes safeguarding data, maintaining system reliability, and ensuring operational continuity. Measures such as SIT security, policies, system monitoring, and disaster recovery planning highlight a proactive approach to managing technological risks.
Next, challenges faced by Kesedar. First, Kesedar faced challenges related to location and geography. Most of its projects are in rural and remote areas of southern Kelantan. Because of these areas are far from cities and have difficult terrain, building roads, houses, and utilities is more expensive and takes more time. The second challenge is limited technology skills among the community. Many residents, especially older people have low digital literacy. Even with internet access, they struggle to use smartphones and online systems. This limits their access to agricultural information and government services and requires Kesedar to provide extra training. Next, environmental issues are also a challenge. Kesedar's agricultural activities must be carefully managed to protect the environment. In addition, unstoppable crop prices such as rubber and palm oil affect settlers' income and economic stability. Lastly, financial issues limit Kesedar's development efforts. With limited funding, some projects must be delayed or reduced, and Kesedar needs to prioritize only the most important programs. Next, opportunities for Kesedar. First, Kesedar has an opportunity to improve its operations through the use of digital technology. By using digital systems such as Kalis, Kesedar can manage land records more efficiently. This reduces paperwork, minimizes errors, and allows officers to access accurate information quickly, helping them serve the community better. Second, Kesedar can benefit from modern agriculture. The use of machines such as tractors, harvesters, automated irrigation systems, and drones help farmers save time and energy. These technologies increase productivity, reduce manual labor, and make farming more efficient and profitable. Lastly, there is strong potential in ecotourism development. South Kelantan's natural attractions such as limestone cave and forests can attract tourists. This creates job opportunities for local residents through tourism-related activity like homestays, guiding services, and small business, while also supporting sustainable economic growth.
Now, let's move on with the observation of the company. The first one is key themes. Kesedar is adopting digital system in administration and services, replacing manual work with a digital document management system to improve efficiency. Geographic information system technology is used to support organized land, settlement, and rural development planning. Internet of Things is applied in agriculture through the Food Valley project for crop and livestock monitoring, automated irrigation, and higher productivity. Challenges include staff digital literacy, while strong emphasis is placed on cybersecurity to protect citizen and land data. The next one is trend and insight. Kesedar is evolving with technology, especially through smart agriculture using Internet of Things to monitor soil, water, and livestock. Cloud computing is used to improve information sharing, coordination, and faster decision-making across offices. Geographic information system technology supports project planning and monitoring, showing a shift toward data-driven decisions and better resource allocation. Overall, the combined use of these technologies increases efficiency and supports sustainable rural development. The third one is integration of theory and practices. The first theory is resource-based view theory by J. Barney. Organizations succeed effectively using internal resources that are valuable, rare, and well organized. Kesedar treats technology as a strategic resource rather than just an operational tool. Key technologies include digital document management system that improves administrative efficiency, geographic information system that supports land and development planning, and Internet of Things-based monitoring system that provides real-time agricultural data. And these technologies transform internal resources into organizational capabilities that support sustainable rural development. The second theory that we choose is Total Quality Management Theory by Edward Deming. Total quality management emphasizes continuous improvement, standardized processes, and data-driven decision-making across the organization. Quality is built into systems and processes through monitoring, feedback, and ongoing refinement. Kesedar applies total quality management by using digital systems to improve documentation accuracy, reduce errors, and enhance coordination between departments. And lastly, technology that supports continuous improvement and reliable service delivery, aligning with Deming's principle of total quality management of Kesedar. Based on our observation, these are the recommendations. The first one, that we recommends that Kesedar provide digital skills training through practical sessions, refresher courses, and peer support to employees can use digital system more confidently and effectively. Improve digital infrastructure and equipment, including better internet connectivity in rural areas, upgraded computer system and cloud-based services to enable smoother data sharing between branches. Increase the use of automation in agricultural projects such as irrigation and monitoring systems to reduce manual work, improve accuracy, and enhance project results. Lastly, develop a long-term technology strategy that focuses on clear goals, budgeting, risk management, and stronger data protection through secure data storage and employees' awareness. In conclusion, Kesedar shows how technology drives rural and regional development. Digital systems, mapping tools, and smart agriculture improve productivity, planning, and service delivery. Kesedar demonstrates a commitment to modernization while applying technology management principles such as gradual adoption, continuous improvement, and aligning people, processes, and technology. Challenges remain, including staff digital skills, uneven internet access, and the need for stronger data protection. Addressing this will ensure Kesedar's digital transformation continues to support sustainable development effectively.